Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are taking out this braidless crochet, and this process is like a little bit complicated, but also easy. Like you can do it in like less than 30 minutes, but you have to be careful to not cut your whole hair because I think that I cut a little bit of inches, but in the front of my hair. But anyway. So I just take you want to take smaller section and just cut the hair and then start to unravel. You will see later in the video that I use like a comb to help me unravel the crochet hair. You can use that to help you out, or you can also use your hands. The comb is optional, unless you have to, it's really complicated to unravel, then you will use that. And this is like really easy. So yeah, I will let you watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and we're trying to hit 1000 subscribers. Well, spring break is over, like we are in August now, and well, I will still stay consistent, but not too much because I got school, I got a lot going on. So, but I will just keep up with the good work, with the good videos and hairstyle ideas. Don't worry, guys, and I will see you in my next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye. Love y'all.